How do top performing sales managers drive results? Join me in this discussion as we highlight some of the essential areas for every sales manager that they can come in handy to help them drive results. As usual, I am joined by one of our lead facilitators for the sales training that we offer here at Corporate Staffing Services, and with the wealth of experience he has in this space, he's able to give us some of the key insights that I believe will come in handy even as you watch this video. Thank you so much, Godfrey, for joining.
Thanks a lot, Mary.
Yes. We're talking about driving results, with a very key aspect of sales. And even before we get into how top sales managers are able to drive results, what does it mean to be a top performer?
Thank you, Mary. I will be glad to share my thoughts around sales management because I have been in sales for the last close to 16 years. And sales is not just for sales people. Everyone does sales. All of us, we do sales. Now, when it comes to sales management, for a top performer, a manager who is able to deliver or to be considered as successful is one who is able to deliver not only on their individual performance metrics, but also even guiding the team, the sales team that is working under them, to deliver also on their performance metrics, and overall being able to deliver the commercial strategic objectives, basically meeting those sales quotas. Yes.
Interesting. Now, what does sales manager do, like especially those who are top performers?
Yes.
What do they do to be able to drive results?
Interesting. A sales manager who is able to meet now the parameters of success. Here is, of course, the first thing, they say numbers don't lie. So looking at what is in the bank, sales targets, both for yourself and also for the team. So number one is you being able to come up with strategies that will deliver on the numbers, sales quotas. Second is your ability now to guide the team leadership. As a sales manager, you have a team that is working under you, and unfortunately, most people do not find themselves in sales by choice. I've met a number of people in the sales space, and they will tell you that initially it wasn't really my choice. I just found myself, this is what I found myself doing, and yeah, later on I came to enjoy, to like appreciate. But initially it's not considered as a job. So as a manager, that's what you are dealing with. Being able to change that mindset, to be positive about sales. Of course, team leadership also comes with you tracking progress, being able to support the team where they are having challenges. Thirdly is your ability to deliver on the strategy, as I mentioned. That is one area that most organizations, they will always have sales targets, either on a quarterly basis, annual, and this sometimes comes with a change in strategy, either because of pricing issues, quality issues, or maybe the kind of niche market they want to venture into. And as a sales manager, you're the one guiding these strategies. So your ability to first understand, translate, and then deliver on this strategy is a key parameter for you as a sales manager to excel. And of course, you're not dealing with just your team alone. On the other hand, on the other side, they are customers, your clients. Being able to manage the relationships with your clients, such that now this allows you to have or to build a base of loyal clients who can buy from you again and again as you continue growing in terms of customer acquisition, now those who are new clients for your products. And of course, the decision-making aspect, making decisions that are data-driven. We are in the space of every decision must be data-informed. as a sales manager today, you can't afford to make decisions based on your emotions.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Interesting. Now, you've mentioned a very important aspect that,
Yes.
of course, not everyone gets themselves into sales. Maybe it's
Yes.
not something that, it was not the initial plan.
Yes.
Now, this makes me to ask, what role does training and development play in the success of every sales team? And how can managers approach it?
Exactly. Having come into sales not by choice myself, I appreciate the training I underwent because it helped me to have a different thinking around sales, beginning to appreciate that, yes, this is a rewarding career. I have been in that space for all these many years, and even today I'm still a salesperson guiding the team that is under me. So in terms of training and development, that tells you that, number one, it will help now to change that thinking. That I'm just holding on this before I find my rightful job, my proper career. So it changes the mindset. Also, if you look at how the customer's needs are evolving, it also requires that as a team, we must be able to be adaptable to these changes and also just be in line with the trends that are coming up. And we can only achieve that through training. Remember, your team, the sales team, are the ones interacting with these customers. A lot is changing. The need for them to be emotionally intelligent to connect with these clients. It requires that as a manager, you've been deliberate to train the team. Not everyone can deliver good trainings. And that is why, as corporate staffing, we have deliberately developed a program that can help bridge those gaps, either in terms of, let's say, sales planning. If you look at how is your customer acquisition and onboarding process like. So we come in to evaluate and see what challenges or what hiccups are within your systems. So we can now come in and support you with what is the proper prospecting process for your products or services. We look at the gaps, what works for you. Working with the team all the way, the 7 steps of a sales cycle to ensure that we do not close at sales, but rather managing the relationship with the client by either offering ongoing support or client relationship management. Yes.
I know, and especially for sales managers, it's not just for them, but also ensuring that the team under them are empowered.
Exactly.
Interesting. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Great. When it comes to sales and just being able to be a top performer and drive results, indeed, training and development comes in handy. And as Godfrey has mentioned, this is where we really come in to be able to support your sales team, to be able to support your sales managers, and with the main goal of ensuring that they are able to drive the desired results. We encourage you to reach out to us in the link provided below, and we will be able to customize this training to suit your needs. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.